Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Today, update's probably not the right word. Maybe a little bit of house cleaning and just kind of decluttering the chart a little bit. But even that's not the right word, because all I'm going to do to declutter and clean up is delete out one line out of here. But after today's price action, definitely kind of confirmation that there's a couple key technical points where, at this point going forward, they're kind of just the quote-unquote wait and see what happens area. So before we get to that, though, let me just do my house cleaning. Yeah, this line still pertains, but I'm just going to do, get it out of there, because now that you see the chart like this, things hopefully become a lot clearer. So I made a comment about, just there's a lot of, well, let's wait and see what happens. Well, I realized let's wait and see what happens. That's just a totally broad statement. But that's the cool thing about charts is they allow you to quantify and assign numbers to broad statements. So what do I mean by, something happening until something happens? Well, one of two things is going to occur over time, because right now, if you want to impress your friends, impress the ladies, this one is forming into a channel pattern. So for you guys out there that want to impress the ladies, ONCI 30-minute time frame channel pattern. So within the channel pattern, and what forms a channel is a resistance and a support. So the first thing that quote unquote happen is a breakdown to the downside. And that's where this green line here comes into play and is our important area of support at 0058. The other thing that can happen is a breakout to the upside. And that's where 0072 comes into play, which is our level of resistance that I've talked about, which would be, a breakout through the resistance. So as far as where the chart stands right now, channel pattern, bottom of the channel, 0058, top of the channel resistance, 0072. And really until something happens, it's kind of a, pop some popcorn, grab some Sour Patch Kids, and you just got to wait until, the price makes some sort of, worthwhile move. And as I've already defined, a worthwhile move being a breakdown to the downside or a breakout to the upside. So until then, enjoy your popcorn and Sour Patch Kids. We'll see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.